Debbie is for designing bangs. So here we have a client who does not have a hairline. She needs a full weave. Also, she is asking for crown protection. So when you get online, you look for the Debbie, and if your client wants crown protection, on the choices, you could either have it hairline protection or hairline and crown protection. Notice that the sides indent on both sides. That is where, that goes behind the ear. This goes in front of the ear. So this gets placed on your client this way, okay? So this goes in front of the ear, and this does too. It helps if your client helps you hold on to it so that while you're adjusting it, there are 3 indentions. So you want to make sure that the middle is right centered between her eyebrows, okay, her nose. So here's her nose. Just want to center it. There we go. And there you have it. So this, the Debbie, you will either do your own sewing without a closure unit. If you do use a closure unit, do not use a silk lace unit. Use the other ones that are not transparent so that this part doesn't show. If you do want to show the part, then we have the Mariposa, the Patty, and the Stephanie. But the Debbie is for usually when you design bangs or when you're doing the side swoop and you don't have a part, okay? So the Debbie is no parting.